What your nigga be Rain right here on the Bryce.
Right here showing this butt, you know what I mean? We living in Seattle right now, living real lavish. Niggas got that butt and shit. You know what I mean? We do this shit, that real fire shit. That's that real fire shit, you know what I mean?
Pineapple Express too.
All night, all day, every day. That's what we do, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is.
At the motherfucking party.
There's hella people in here going crazy. Going ham.
We're gonna go downstairs in a second, you know what I mean?
Pineapple Express.
I know this shit, but you want
I had some shit from Florida, there was some super shit, but the guy went to jail like 3 weeks ago. I'm good on that.
You got another switcher, bro?
I only got what? You got a switcher?
Nah.
Probably gonna grab some JP and the dude downstairs and put it What up?
Spartacus, Spartacus.
Look at that nigga. Hey, Spartacus.
Spartacus.
Hey, Spartacus.
Spartacus.
Motherfucker, hey, can my family do a video? Give me a video, nigga. Kyrie. So it's about 2 weeks. How are you doing? Kyrie, can you do a video?
What's good? I'm sitting here chilling with my nigga J.O. My family just come through. What's good?
Tyreek, bitch.
Oh yeah, let me get in.
High point shit,
2 weeks, like West Seattle. What's happening, dog?
West Seattle, nigga. Hey, West Seattle, bitch. You know what I'm saying? We're on this camera.
Let's get Tony.
Don't forget Tony, though. Don't forget
40 ounces and county.
Don't forget Tony, because kicking with us niggas, we got all sorts of everything saying bad bitches only. Yeah. You know what it is. What's up? Hey, VIP, come, you know what I'm saying? Say what's good.
Hey.
Miss Cameron.
Tonight is a party.
Hey, Tyreek, you gotta go across the street.
See that shit? I can't knock on your door.
Drinking that shit.
Drinking and enjoying, but do not condone it. I mean, I do, but I do not. What word am I looking for?
Is it not condoning?
Yeah, but I do it though. Yes.
Yeah.
West side.
Get you on, you know what I'm saying? That's what I said. Huh? Oh, I heard about it later. That ain't shit, It was good. We're having a good night, you know what I'm saying? We're just chilling and shit. It's good. This is brand new year. It's 2012. This is a year that we're about to make $1 million this year. We're going to try to make $1 million this year. You know what I'm saying?
How long do you think it's been here for?
That's real shit though. Millionaires. Billionaires.
What's crazy? What's crazy?
Waking back it up, little mama gonna make me fall. Push pause, rewind, then replay. Put scratches on my back. I could've sworn she was the DJ, no delay. She's a sex addict. She said she got a man. Oh my God, that's tragic. You know I gotta have it here once and I'm gone like magic. I make that every show, nigga. That's a bad habit. Like right now, nigga. Push pause, rewind, then replay. Push scratches on my back. I could just want she was a DJ. You think my shit's filthy? You got here Lonzo's though, nigga. Lonzo got that heat. Ski, pull it out, then I reload. That's my part, nigga.
No, this shit's 52. I can't wait to hear this nigga shit. I know it's shit. Yeah.
Let's go. Oh my God, that's tragic. You know I gotta have it. Hit once, then I'm gone like magic. I'm late to every show, nigga. That's a bad habit. But we got it poppin' though. To knock me is impossible. I put it in her mouth and then she melted like a popsicle. Play that whole thing back, man. It was good. Is that your bitch? Not after this, it's J.O. nigga. Blow her a kiss. Does it real good. Turn my swag up to the maximum. Get her to the room, close off, and then I'm smacking them. Money's not a problem. My niggas, we all got it. We smoking that good. We with Lil' Mama. She from the tropics. Lil' Mama, she real bad. She said she could do it all. The way she backing it up. Lil' Mama gonna make me fall. Oh, push pause, rewind, then replay. Put scratches on my back. I could've sworn she was the DJ. No delay. She's a sex addict. She said she got a man. Oh my God, that's tragic. You know I gotta have it. Hit once, then I'm gone like magic. I'm late to every show, nigga. That's a bad habit. But we got it poppin' though. To knock me is impossible. I put it in her mouth and then she melted like a popsicle. Boy, spit that shit, yo. Before you start, spit that shit. Now we can hear that shit.
Well, make a bitch cry. She said that I'm the best she ever had in her life. She feel like she in heaven and she in a bright light. And I get it so wet, I'm about to high dive. When I'm swimming in that pussy, all the money Nemo. Take it out, then I reload. And I hit rewind, but this is not TiVo. Bitch, I'm a fuck you. You can call me CeeLo. Bitch, I do it wild. Nickname Steve-O. I put that pussy through it like a munching in a chemo. Yeah, I put in work, but I ain't talking kilos. I swear that thing tighter than a motherfucking Vivo. I get it so wet, I call it surf's up. Bitch, I'm a champ, so I beat the pussy up. Said I beat the pussy up, so she feel it in the gut. And she said I do it good, so I got that bitch front.